In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Adobe Acrobat and Reader. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, perfect for anyone looking to reduce eye strain and enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience while working with PDF documents. Now, let's dive right in. Begin by opening either Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader on your device. Whether you're using a PC or a Mac, the steps will be quite similar. Once the application is up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. Here, you'll find the menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Once you have the menu open, the next step is to hover your cursor over the View option. You don't need to click just yet. Simply hovering over View will bring up another menu. This is where you'll be able to find different display settings available in Adobe Acrobat or Reader, including the highly sought-after dark mode. In this submenu, look for an option labeled Display Theme. Clicking on this will allow you to select from different themes that change the overall appearance of your interface. To switch to dark mode, choose the dark gray theme. This will immediately alter the background and surrounding interfaces to darker shades, which can help lessen the glare on your eyes, particularly in low light environments. Now that you've selected your preferred theme, it's important not to overlook one final crucial step: applying and saving these changes. Make sure to confirm your selection so that the dark mode remains active for future sessions. Depending on your version of Adobe Acrobat or Reader, the application might automatically save these preferences after you close the menu. However, it's always a good idea to double-check and ensure that everything is set just the way you want it before moving on. Switching to dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. Many users find that it helps to reduce eye strain during extended periods of computer use, especially in dimly lit environments. It can also be easier on your device's battery life, as darker pixels generally consume less power than lighter ones. Plus, it can provide a fresh, sleek look to your workspace, potentially even boosting your productivity. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a more comfortable and stylish interface when working with PDFs in Adobe Acrobat or Reader. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.